Right now I'm pulling up to Goat Rock Beach, recommended by Richard, the kind gentleman picking up litter along the road. Down this highway, and I see this man right here with all these bottles. You want to tell me what you're doing?
Yeah, so hi, my name is Richard. I call myself the custodian. I live here in West Marin. I have for a decade, and litter.
Seriously, pick up your trash. No one wants to see that shit. All right. And he told me there's gonna be lots of seals out here. Not elephant seals. Elephant seals where I'd have to backtrack on my trip, and I didn't feel like going south. So, but he said this is gonna be a nice place. He told me if I put in with my canoe, it will be torn to shreds. So, may or may not do that. Stay tuned. Here we are. I believe that's Goat Rock right behind me. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Tell you what though, these waves are huge. iPhone X is waterproof, right? That was a joke. I trashed my last iPhone X in Yosemite. Put it underwater 3 times. First 2 times it worked, 3rd time it broke. So that is a no-go. iPhone X in water is a no-go. Use your GoPro. Wow. Richard told me that if all the water goes away suddenly, get the hell out of there, because that means the tsunami's coming. Still no seals yet. I'm gonna head that way. He said they'd be at the point. So there's supposed to be a little river up here. I can't put my canoe in the water because I left my paddles in San Diego. Left my paddles in San Diego. Woo! Wow, these are huge. That's insane. Left my paddles in San Diego. I lost my fishing pole in Yosemite. So I'm down to fishing pole and I'm down to paddle. Oh, 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 oh! Yeah! I'll tell you what, that water's freezing. That water's freezing cold. I don't get how people go surfing around here. I don't get it. Screw that. So if I were a seal, what I would do is not be in these waves. I would go to an area where it's nice and chill and I can just eat fish and lay on the beach like a fat ass. I smell seal flesh. It's definitely way more calm over here. Like I was saying, if I was a seal, I would not be in those ferocious waves. I'd be chilling over here. Richard made it sound like they were everywhere though, so gotta find that spot he was talking about. Oh, there's one. Somewhere over there, I just saw him. But I think all of those are either logs or seals. Let's go find out. Within 50 yards, do not pick a pop-up. You don't gotta tell me that. They may appear abandoned, but they are not. They may appear abandoned, but the mothers are just not very clingy. That's all. Would you look at this log though? It's a nice log. Check out this log, that's bizarre. Let's travel to the top of it. Really hard to balance on. Not super stable. All the seals are over here. All the seals are down that way. Those are all seals chilling there. Richard was telling me that what they do is they go up on the shore and they just chill, and I think they're like shedding or something. He had a really weird description. His description was, it's like a bunch of high kids trying to take the SAT. I think that's what his description was. He made a funny face, a seal face, and that's how he described what they do. He says they come up on shore and they shed. So let's go check it out. Come on, mate. Top the evening to you. By golly, Richard was spot on. I've taken SAT twice, and I've seen high kids take it too. And they look exactly, look at him, would you look at him? Spot on, Richard. Look at that face. It's exactly the same as the high kids back in high school taking SAT. By golly, Richard, by golly. What's going on? I think they're kind of over me, are they? Yeah, they're over me now, but they sent 2 scouts out, and I don't think they take me as a threat now, so they're just chilling. But I think what they do is they rotate, and they have different, oh, look at this one. Where is he at? Oh, there he is. Look, there's one over here that's like orange. But yeah, I think they send them out, and they have scouts that look out. Like this one right here, he's looking at me. Oh, no, he's not. He's chilling now. But yeah, I think they're having a good old time. Look at these waves. What's going on, mate? Oh, criminy. Where you at, mate? Oh, no. No. There you are. All your buddies over there, mate. That way. Go that way. All right, guys, I'm hitting the road. If you like that video, like it. If you want to see more of me, please subscribe. If not, it's okay.
Round and round.